Welcome back. Ito na ang finished product ng ating soup. Ang ating soup ay may carrots, may cabbage, may onion leaves, egg, and potato. And this is our fresh orange juice. Mayroon pa siyang seed at no sugar. At itong ating fruits, watermelon and grapes. Why I serve watermelon in the morning? Because napakainit po dito sa Middle East. Para mag-hydrated po tayo at 2 piece lang yan. Sobrang init outside and inside. Yan po ang ating breakfast for today. Light meal always in the morning. But kung working ka, mag-heavy meal ka, or in soup, mag-add ka nitong rice, glutinous rice, okay? Para may carbs. But kung nasa bahay ka lang at malaki ka na you want diet, ito na lang. Just a healthy diet. Give energy also. Yan. Antioxidant. Vitamin C. Okay, God bless. Hope you like.